This is built in our facility in Curitiba, and we have various variants of this engine. The main application for this is an agricultural variant that's into small agricultural tractors, and the engine, it goes from 50 to 60 horsepower. We also build other variants of this engine in Brazil. So we build variants for electric power that go from 38 kVA to 75 kVA. And we also have an industrial version of the engine that is equipped with a radiator, air cleaners, and all the essential features to make a very easy installation for our customers. These engines come in multiple emissions tiers, and they are currently available in Tier 0, Tier 3 and certified to MAR 1 emissions.